Welcome back to the channel. It's the first episode of Lunch with Lori. I recreated the Stop and Shop cucumber soup, and this time used yogurt instead of sour cream because I didn't have yogurt last time. I think it was smoother. I don't know if I peeled the cucumbers last time. It was definitely smoother. And yeah, I should have peeled the cucumbers, but I did have radishes this time and more green onions, and I put some leftover rotisserie chicken in the crock pot. I made real chicken broth, so it is good. It'll probably be better the second day because it will be colder because my chicken broth was hot. It's still cooking in the crock pot. But at the end of this recipe it says to put ice. So it tempered it out a little bit. This is good. I went to Aldi's for the first time. It's a grand opening today. And the next town over, and it was a learning curve because I didn't know how to put the cart back. I thought the both hanging things plugged together. That didn't work, so someone came over and showed me, but then we were both trying to figure out what to do with the extra hanging thing and realized, oh well, the next cart will get plugged into that. So yeah, got my quarterback. Yeah, they had a lot of different things there, but the variety wasn't that great. Like as far as like types of peanut butter, there wasn't a lot of selections. But they didn't have my green onions, so I had to go to Stop and Shop. They didn't have my radishes, so I had to go to Stop and Shop. Otherwise, their cucumber was humongous. So the recipe calls for 2 cucumbers. I only used their 1. And I had half an avocado, and the recipe called for 2 avocados. So I used 1.5. So I changed it a little bit. But I did use the smoked kielbasa again. And the Stop and Shop recipe calls for ham, diced ham. So this is still good. Very nutritious. I didn't use Greek yogurt. I used the brown cow, where the cream goes to the top and you gotta stir it. So next time I make this, I'm gonna peel the cucumber and use real cubed ham, and we'll try it. I think last time I could taste the green onions more, and this time I can't. But I did add them as a garnish along with the radish. So it's pretty good. So yeah, it's a cup of chicken broth, a cup of yogurt, 2 cucumbers, 2 avocados, 2 teaspoons of lime juice. I have concentrated lime, so I just use that. And of course, cubed ham for garnish, sliced radish for garnish. I called for a 1/4 cup of green onion, and that's all. Oh, a 1/2 cup of ice, which is about 4 ice cubes. And that's just to make it cold at the end. It would be colder if my chicken broth wasn't hot. Yeah, and last time I didn't use a full cup of chicken broth. I mean, I cut the recipe in half, so you gotta try this. It's good. You just put it in the blender, mix it all up. Guy's doing yard work. He put a ton of dust in my windowsill yesterday, so I cleaned all my windows inside and out today. It's gonna make them dirty again. Watch. So I had a day off, and I decided to make my soup. Plus I have some chicken broth going in the crock pot. That I might freeze. And this smoothie has arugula, a banana, black raspberries frozen, olive oil, and vanilla yogurt. It's all about nutrition. So I'm getting my nutrients for sure. Oh yeah, and I forgot. I put orange juice, I think. I don't taste it though. Yeah, I did add orange juice. And sometimes I put coconut milk. I might have even done that. I forget. I made it yesterday. A lot has happened since yesterday. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Share your recipes. Try this. Tell me if you like it.